Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, keep watching. All right, so I did my makeup hours ago. So if it's patchy, it's because I did it hours ago and life, you know. But anyway, so today the palette, we're gonna do an old-fashioned. We are taking it back to the basics, right? What I started my channel on. I know my last couple of videos have been like drugstore, what's new, makeup stuff. Please do me a favor, check those out. But today we're doing an eyeshadow tutorial. I've never tried Lorac. I thought it was a really expensive brand, but like these palettes are really cheap on Amazon. This is the Lorac Pro Palette Fairytale Forest. The color story is absolutely gorgeous. Like, so beautiful. Let's see if my moron self can get this out the box. But also, it's super tiny. Like, do you see how little this is? But it's beautiful. So, you know what ticks me off? Shade names on a paper. Hate that. But look at this color story. Like, how freaking beautiful, you guys, is that palette? And it was like 20 something on Amazon. Let's get up close and personal, okay? Like, that is beautiful. I, again, never tried Lorac, so I guess the quality could be crap, but it looks very promising. So we're gonna do our thing. I think we're gonna do like one greenish eye, one purplish eye. So two different looks. Again, what I used to do, just haven't really had the strength. I'll be honest, it's that time of the month. Yesterday I was completely taken out. I took so much ibuprofen and Tylenol, nothing touches this pain. And so I was able to like run my errands, but like then I got home and I was down and I was out for the count, like could not function. So I guess this will be like our greenish eye. Let's just get started before I forget what I'm doing, because brain fog is no joke. So we're gonna start with this shade right here. I'm so sorry, right there. And we're just gonna put that in the crease. We're gonna get started. But yeah, like my periods take me out. Like I cannot function. I'm still in a lot of pain, but I'm like, I haven't filmed in a couple weeks, so I need to film. I need to get it together, push through the pain as we do, you know, as people who deal with periods. But also like I've heard like some people don't have this pain, so good for you if you don't live like this every month. That's fantastic, because this sucks. All right, now we're going to, I'm gonna lose this little Doomaflachi with the shade names on it. I just don't have time for that nonsense. So now I want to go in with this more orangey brown shade. This is very floppy, so I'll go in with this one right here. So you guys, how are you doing? Like, the world is very heavy. It's a lot. It's a lot. If you know me, you know where I stand on things. And we can't do this another 3 years. We just can't. All right, I want to take, the shade that we started with, which is that shade right there, and we're just gonna put that on the lower lash line. If you hear that, that's Indy playing with toys or whatever she's doing. All right, so this looks really, really pretty. I realized we just had like 2 shades down, but beautiful. Do I? I do. I want to deepen out this outer corner, so we're going to take this shade right down here. And we're just going to deepen that up. There are a couple more Lorac palettes that I want to try that I found. We have like a Soleil palette and I think it's the Noir palette. And there's one that's like Merkai or something like that. That also looks really pretty. So I might be picking those up, and they're like, I think one of them is like $31, the other one's like 20 something. So very, very decently priced. I am shocked at how well this is working. I do say I don't think they're like new palettes, but I mean, new to me. Alright, we're gonna take this shade right here, this really pretty like blue-greeny shade right there, and we're gonna put that down on the open space on the lid. That's Indy voicing her opinion. She's upstairs in her room. Alright, so needed to build that shade up just a little bit, but it's really, really pretty. I mean, I am a fan so far. I haven't filmed in a while, so, and I also haven't done like a real makeup look. Like, I just usually just like put on some really, really, really basic like neutral shades and call it a go like on my work days. So this is like a big deal for me, doing like actual like fun makeup. I miss this. All right, so I want to take this shade right here, and that's just going to be our lower inner corner highlight. Just trying to get it to focus so you can see it. And some of that green did get down there, so it's going to mix with the green, but like not mad about it. It just looks really, really pretty. Now I guess we're gonna get started on the other eye. I mean, that's really, really pretty. Simple but pretty. I like it. So let's see what we can do. I'm just getting this like itch right here, like really, really bad. I should not have gone in with my nail, but like, how else are you gonna itch a place like that, you know? All right. I want to start with, I can't remember which shade I started with last time, and not that it really matters, but I wanted to do a different one, but like, I'd be danged, I can't remember. Let's start with the shade right here, shall we? I know that I did not use that one. So it is, I don't even know what date it is. I think it's January 11th. This year has already been a disaster. I was hoping it would be better. I don't know why I thought things would get better, but joke's on me. All right, now I want to find that, what are these things called? Brushes? That brush that I used the first time. You guys, I'm so sorry. I wish that when I put a brush down, it would stay where I put it, but that is not what happens, and it drives me crazy. Here it is. All right, so we're gonna go in with, okay, this palette is lacking deeper shades, deeper matte shades, right? Because like I need something, I guess we'll go in with that same orangish shade right here that we went in with the other eye, because I just need something like a little deeper. It just does not afford that. This palette just doesn't have that. A beautiful palette needs some deeper shades, because like I'm pretty pale, and if I'm saying these aren't deep enough, I'm about as pale as they come. Yes, you can pick shades from other palettes. But like, if I'm buying a palette, I want it to do all the things for me, you know? Also, I am just like feeling hairs all over my face. My under eye, oh, I have destroyed that. Just with like itching and whatever. What am I even thinking? Like, I can, you guys, I don't know what to do. I can't fix it because I would go upstairs and Indy would throw a fit and whatever, so we are just gonna roll with it. So we're gonna take this first shade we started with right here, and we're gonna put that under or on the lower lash line. Just to get a little something something, you know what I'm saying? And then we're kind of gonna do what we did with the other eye, and we're gonna take that deeper brown shade right here, and we're gonna put that on the outer portion of the lid. If this palette had a matte black, that'd be awesome. That should be fantastic, but it does not. All right, gonna go in. Oh boy, there it is. My glitter glue, thought I lost it. Did not put it down where I usually have it. I don't know what is going on with my face, but it is not good. I'm just like creasing and like everything. Clearly did not do something right. All right, now we're gonna take, dang, this shade right here. It's like a dark purple, looks really, really pretty. And we're gonna fill that in the empty spaces. These shimmers do take just a tad of building up, but once you get them where you want them to be, they're beautiful. Really, really, really pretty. Okay, I'm getting this feeling. I want to take like this really pretty like goldy shade, and I just want to put it in the center of each eye. If you know me, this is something I do periodically, just to add a little something, you know, to the eye look. That is so pretty. I really, really like that a lot. All right, you guys. Yeah, I need to do the lower inner corner highlight. We're just gonna use that same shade as the other eye, so this one right here. And then gonna go do some mascara. I don't know about liner. And I will be right back. All right, so I'm back. We gotta do something with these lips. This is the Maybelline Ultimate lipstick in the shade More Honey. Had this forever, I just found it on the table. Just feel like it'll be a good shade. And then, a little bit of this glossy thing on top. It's the Profusion Dreamy Lip Plump Nourishing Lip Shine in the shade Pretty in Pink. I just want to put like a little some glossy on top because I feel like I need it. Okay. Much better. If you know, you know. All right, you guys. So let's do a little final look. Okay, so, sorry, I've got like bangs and hair getting caught together that like, I don't know, my bangs have just been just a hot trash disaster lately. And I love having bangs, but I just cannot get them to cooperate. Like, I don't understand what's happening. Or actually, it's too warm here, and like my hair just does weird things because like it's straight to like here, so it starts curling up, and I don't know what to do. But anyway, this is a really pretty look. This is again, this is the Lorac Fairytale Forest palette. This is a really good palette. It's like I said, it's like 20 something, like 28, whatever on Amazon. So really good palette. I do wish it did have some deeper mattes, but who got another palette with like some deeper matte shades, it'd pair beautifully with it. I really, really enjoy the shimmers. I really like this look. Yeah. So, you guys, let's just have a little talk. I think it's very important that we take care of each other in these times with the state of our country. Take care of each other because the big people aren't looking out for us. They're not. If you are not a millionaire or close, you don't matter. So we need to take care of each other. Take care of our neighbors. Look out for each other. If you see something, say something. Okay? It's very, very important in these times. So I'll leave it at that. Thank you for supporting me and my channel. Share this content. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below because that's how little people like me get seen. So, you know, small creators, we don't get pushed out. We don't. So you guys, I really do appreciate you for watching this video, for giving it a thumbs up. Check out some of my previous videos that are like newer drugstore makeup. I think you might like those because there's a lot of good drugstore makeup coming out right now. Like, it is crazy. So you guys, remember, you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have the best day, and I'll see you on the next one.